Hey lovelies, it's Crystal here. I'm back again with another Z Flip 3 decoration video. Unfortunately, my previous hinge case was forced into retirement because I accidentally dropped it and the hinge part is a little bit loose and it keeps falling. Sorry, my cat keeps whining. So now I have to use it without the hinge part, which is still fine. And because new is always better, jokes. I bought a new phone case that comes with a little attachment for your accessories, which is super cute. Although it doesn't come with a hinge part, it's still quite sturdy and feels very light and slim on the hand. Ever since I got this new phone, I've spent so much time and money on it because every single week I'm like, I think you can look even better. And unintentionally, I've bought so many stickers just for the decoration. So this time I mostly purchased waterproof stickers that also doesn't leave any glue residue when removed, some embroidery stickers, and some translucent flowery stickers as well. So my first step is to find a random piece of transparent plastic packaging and then cut out a rectangle that's the same size as the front cover. And also remember to leave a little hole for the flashlight so it won't be blocked. This time I wanted a dried flower bullet journal style design. And the steps are pretty easy. I pretty much just selected stickers I liked and arranged them in the way I wanted and stick them layer by layer on the plastic backing. It is okay for the stickers to go outside of the rectangle at first. Having it sticking onto the actual body of the phone helps with fixating the plastic backing in position. And once you're done with the whole arrangement, you can cut off the excess afterwards. This is the final design I want at the front, and I'm now just cutting the excess off on the sides. Here I'm just smudging a teeny bit of water on the back of the plastic, so when I snap on my case, the sheet won't move around too much and the water will eventually evaporate. And that's about it for the front. Because the back has the same steps, so I won't show all the details and I'll fast forward to the step when it's all done. Finally, I will put on this cute, matte, candy-colored trinket, and ta-da! I really love this olive green on this Samsung silicone case. However, I do find it a little bit dull, so I'm just putting some waterproof and embroidered sticker on it to give it a bit more fun. I'm going for the cutesy look here. And here's the final look.